Alright guys, so this is how it looks from far away. If you got it up close, it's something. Now we're going to go ahead and play it. We have it through a whole bunch of different settings. So it's going really fast. You guys can adjust that. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video with your host Scott. So today we're checking out this 4-pack of LED wireless spotlights. So these are RGB, and if you guys know me, I love anything RGB, and a lot of you guys do as well. So first off the bat, we see that it comes with a remote control, comes with a battery, probably a spare battery, comes with a manual, comes with a second remote control, so 2 remote controls, screws for mounting if you decide to mount it. Alright, so here we go. So these are, again, wireless. Interesting. So you got 3M tape on the side there, so you can mount it that way. It looks like it takes 3 AA batteries. So you put the AA batteries inside there. Yeah, so very simple and basic setup. Pretty nice. Yeah, this should be pretty simple. I mean, you can mount it with screws. So basically what you do is you take off this piece, and you see the screw holes right there. You just put 2 screws through there, and then you would place this on, and then you just twist it on and lock it in place. So you could mount it with screws if you didn't want to do the tape. So this is a 4-pack. Let's go ahead and add some batteries and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so we have the batteries in. On the side here is a power button. This allows you to change the color that you'd like. So you got multicolor mode, you got green and blue and off. So red, if you keep it on red, I believe it, now maybe it keeps it red. So you actually have red, green, and blue, and you can adjust that to however you want. So that is red. So it's pretty nice colors. So guys, for the remote, let's go ahead and pull this out. Let's check this out here. Alright, so the remote definitely works. As you guys can see here, turn it on and off, no problem. Let's see, fade. Oh, that's pretty cool. So when you turn fade on, it goes through different colors. So it goes through a ton of different colors here. That's pretty awesome. So we'll show you guys at night. This is fully adjustable, so you can turn it however you want, set it up however you want. Pretty cool. There's also, you can change your speed, so it could really go through. You can play it and pause it. So if there's a color you like, you can actually pause it at that color and keep it. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like in the dark. Alright guys, so this is how it looks from far away. If you got it up close, it's something. Now we're going to go ahead and play it. We have it through a whole bunch of different settings. So it's going really fast. You guys can adjust that to slow it down, so the fade can get slowed down. Again, you can play it and pause it at any color you want. So if you wanted that color. Overall, guys, these are pretty awesome. I like it. I think it's going to look awesome once we redo our office and set it up really cool. But overall, guys, the color is crisp and clear. Good color. Good brightness. And again, you can mount it wherever you want, as close as you want, as far away as you want. As you guys can see, with it being far away, you can see far. So you can mount it however you want. Very nice.